Welcome to Spring LIB.
Okay, I'm going to redraw this because I think the way they drew this is a little confusing. Okay. We've got a radical here, and I'm just going to draw one of these hydrogens. There are two, but I'm just drawing one for clarity's sake, right? And I'm not going to draw it exactly like they drew it. It'll have the same meaning, but there won't be a bunch of overlapping crap. So there's a single fishhook arrow here. Oh, let me draw this other radical. Okay, single fishhook arrow here, which will be joining with a single fishhook arrow from this carbon hydrogen bond, right? And the other half of this carbon hydrogen bond is going to be forming a double bond here, joining with this fishhook arrow coming from the radical. So maybe now that this is a little more spread out, it's easier to see what's going on. Now, the other thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to start numbering these carbons arbitrarily, not necessarily in the number that they would be if we were naming this molecule, but I just want to be able to see what atoms should be connected to which atoms. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's call it like that. Okay. So what do we know about this new molecule that we've created? Well, I'm going to redraw the molecule on the right, but I'm going to create a double bond between carbon 2 and 3 because I see evidence that a double bond was created there, okay? So we've got this double bond between carbons 2 and 3. I'll draw the rest of the molecule down here. Okay. We've got our double bond between carbon 3. We also know that we've created a bond, right, between, let me label these ones over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Carbon 3 on the left, and this hydrogen here, right? So we should have a bond to hydrogen on carbon 3 when we redraw the molecule on the left. It won't have any double bonds. But it will have a new bond to a hydrogen here. Now I'll draw in the hydrogens that we started with. There were previously 2 here, but now we know there's only 1 because it migrated over. It migrated over there. Okay. So hopefully that's a little more clear when all the arrows aren't overlapping, what exactly happened there. We created a double bond on the molecule on the right when this hydrogen migrated over to the molecule on the left.